Okay, so we just got finished installing the new, what they call a third function kit on this this tractor right here. This is the MT225S by LS Tractors. There she is, 225S. So we just finished installing this. This is an LS Tractors Grapple. This grapple is called an MCG1154A. Pretty wide reach there. These are pretty nice. This is a 54-inch grapple. It uses quick disconnects, so you can uninstall and install right there. It is a little tight up in here. You can probably see my hand, so be wary of that. You're gonna want to pull it open from the back side. Just notice that. Anyway, this is a third. They call this a third function kit. I'd call this a diverter kit, because what it does is you press this here button on the handle, and now moving this way and this way opens and closes your grapple. A true third function kit, you have extra buttons. The reason they do that is actually to get you more clamping power. So you sacrifice a little bit of that being able to do three things at once, but you get the power to smash things, which is nice. So yeah, let's give it a shot here real quick, see how it works. Look at that range of motion. Yeah, so look at this range of motion here. This is twisted back all the way. This is why they call this a root rake, because you can get these down in the ground and just absolutely decimate whatever's under you. So if you need to pick up a lot of roots or stuff like that, they do a great job. They're a little more destructive on the ground. This bends over really far, which is really nice. If you do have stuff on the ground, you can like pull it into you, which is fantastic. Look at the size of that. So yeah, I really love that backwards range of motion. I mean, it took this pallet up and faced it back towards me. That was really, really impressive. A lot of good movement there. Third function, it works good. Here, let's get real here, LS. It's a diverter kit. Don't call it a third function anymore. We're gonna call it a diverter. What it does is it diverts the flow of the hydraulics from one area to another. Here's the valve right here. So it diverts the hydraulics from the curl pistons, or whatever you want to call them, I'm not a scientist, to that valve, which then lets you open and close those jaws. So that's how that works. Buttons right here. This is a really clean install. Our shop here does a really good job. But yeah, it's a clean kit. And you just sneak that guy right under there. That's about it. Looks great, works really good. Smooth operation. It's not a real big hassle using a diverter. You can see, you know, you just get where you want, divert, grab, curl, and go away. So I don't think you're really losing that much. It's just, I think it's kind of fun and fancy having a third function, but whatever. Okay, so that's it. That's our first look at the MCG1154A and this new diverter kit for the MT225S tractor series. Have a great day.